Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send USDC from your Phantom wallet to your Trezor wallet in 2025. With crypto security being more important than ever, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this process is straightforward once you know the ropes. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure both your Phantom and Trezor wallets are set up and connected. In 2025, Phantom might have some updated interfaces, so update your app to the latest version for seamless compatibility. Open your Phantom wallet on your device. It's the go-to for Solana-based assets like USDC. Once you're in, navigate to your USDC balance and select the Send option. This is where things get exciting. Next, you'll need your Trezor wallet's address. Plug in your Trezor device, enter your PIN for security, and open the Trezor Suite app or web interface. Generate or select the receiving address for USDC. Remember, double-check that it's the correct one to avoid any mishaps. Copy this address carefully. Back in Phantom, paste the Trezor address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDC you want to send, and don't forget to review the transaction fees, which might be lower in 2025 thanks to network improvements. Hit Confirm and approve the transaction on your Phantom wallet. On the Trezor side, you'll get a prompt to verify the details. Always confirm it matches what you intended. Once the transaction is broadcasted, keep an eye on the blockchain status using tools like Solana's Explorer. It should only take a few minutes for the USDC to appear in your Trezor wallet. And just like that, you're done. In 2025, always prioritize security by using hardware wallets like Trezor for long-term storage. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.